communities because a lot of the men. So can you introduce yourself? Yeah, Garita.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. Hello everyone. My name is Sagita Chani. I'm
Uh,
a financial accounting first graduate. Now I just wait for my last FSNC exam results. So I took time to study more about financial accounting.
yes.
And the reason I joined your class is for studying Power Query because I am studying business intelligence tools because uh, we are evolving into a more technological accounting era. So I want to learn more.
Okay. 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 So you right now you are the ACCA candidate. So the ACCA skill I teach free on the this community. So enjoy and keep patience and join with me. Okay. Okay, Renita.
Okay.
Yes. Yes. Okay.
Okay.
Tonight the ACCA skill, and then the next day tomorrow, the Bowery skill. Okay, combine together. Combine together. So Harry, hi everyone. Okay, I turn my face. You can see my face, real face. I'm not AI. Okay. Okay. So I share, the file. Wait a minute. Uh, okay. So here I post the content. You see my screen. This how everyone. You see my screen sharing.
I see, Miss Hoàng, Kim Hoàng.
Yeah. Okay. So why I teach you the skills because the finance begin the finance analyst, so the analytical thinking and analytical skill very important for the first foundation of the financial professionals. And the ACCA give the candidates four score in the advanced paper exam. So take careful when you begin study ACCA to prepare the advanced exam. So take care and careful read and practice for 4 to 5 skill. They get the 20 score. So 20% of the score 100. Got it? So this here we have the communication skill. I coach and mentor all of you already. And right now, related to the analysis and evaluations. And skepticism, I will teach you later. Commercial acumen, I will. Okay, right now we just focus the analysis and evaluations. And when the exam, AFM exam, uh, for example, I have the file. I don't know to where is it, and I have the a lot of. Wait a minute. I have the here. When we see the questions from this skill from the question ICCA, when you study advanced paper, that you recognize the question give you a lot of the data, a lot of the formula ask you to do. For example, come back the old exam. I teach you the last lessons. This is the AFM. AFM means the paper from ACCA Advanced Financial Management. Advanced Financial Management is the core professional of the finance, and this is the main topic in this community. The main topic, you say, finance. So AFM very important for finance professional. And come back to the past lessons. I give the all of you about the questions, and you see when they ask you about related to the analysis and evaluate skill, here they give you 2 score in one session, and the total of the exam there are 4 score for this skill, analysis and evaluations. And when you read and you find out this skill, and you see they give you a lot of the data and ask you calculate here. Calculate the first keyword for analysis. And then because ACCA not mechanic or not just ask you to calculate, not very simple. It's not very simple. When you finish calculating, they ask you evaluate your result, not just finish and keep silent or just make the data or the chat or the dashboard, but not tell anything. Help the BOD make decision. So evaluate, compile with this. Yes. So if you are ACCA candidate, I don't care you which country, okay? When you prepare of the advanced exam of ACCA, okay? Don't the first time, don't focus so much the content, the syllabus, the top with the advanced paper to teach you. The first, you just study 5 skill for me. Very important. I told you before. And right now, analysis and evaluation is very important for the finance. Yeah. Pardon? You want to ask me something? You understand what my point? Anyone to ask me something? Okay. Okay. I just back to the questions, and they give you the question here, and you see you look the question detail. They give you the project, investment project. They give the assumption, the estimate, the market, the sale unit, the sale revenue, and some of the information related to the investment money, and some of the other costs operating and tax allowance depreciations. And they give you some of information when the company invests in another company, another countries, and have the currency differences. So what you calculate the financial model related to the appraisal of the investments, and after that calculate the net present value and payback and the return on investment, and after that then evaluate your result of the data and give the your ideas, consultant conclusion to the BOD. That's so you finish it, they give you 2 score for this. Okay, so you guys and come back to the listing of the ACCA. Give you, when you practice this skill, the first use the data for analysis. And if they give you the data, with data, you use most for me. So when the ACCA give you the detail of the data for this, okay, and most of the data you should use. The ACCA not very strict transparency. The people, the candidate, pay attention. The ACCA examiner very transparency. If they give you the data, the number, so very useful for you to use it, not ignore and use it. Okay, so the first, use the data the examiner, the exam give you, okay, and calculate. And the second, when you calculate and you not forget to give the judgment, okay, discuss something, you balance the benefit and the risk, the benefit and loss, and some of the not good, and you balance the finance and non-finance acceptable, and after that give the consultant, and not just stuff, not just focus internal or finance or data you calculate. You consider more information or wide information around of the scenario or around of um, the information the examiner give you. So you combine the external and more information not related to the finance or not related to the number. And for example, the difficult in the new market make the investment project very difficult to deploy or to meet finish. So take care this information and compile with your data, and you thinking and analyze these factors and context, and give them the consultant. And final, very important, the final recommendation conclusion for the beauty of for in the answer, very important. So because of you can read the idea I list for you. So right now you come back to the answer I prepare for you. Because I have 30 minutes to guide you, so I don't have time to show you what the meaning inside. So I prepare for you very order and very clear, and I think that very difficult for you to understand what's going on in this. But in the ACCA, when you present the data, the number, okay, so you make very clear and reference for the examiner to check you, to understand you. And with the question related to the analysis and evaluation and calculations, so you use the Excel sheet to do it, okay? So the same, you just email that this is the answers paper when you sit in the exam of the ACCA. Very is very similar. So here you make the financial modeling. This is the financial modeling related to the investment appraisal, okay? So very different. When I send you the do you remember I give you the I'm sorry, because of right now my neighborhood have the event, and they have the karaoke, so very noisy in my home. So I'm don't sorry, I find the financial statement, financial modeling. I send you already. Wait a minute. Okay, here. I post the linking. This the template for you, and this is have the tails models, and this is the nine model I include in the financial modeling. Okay, so this is just separate, and because in the ACCA, very simple for you to build the investment appraisal model, but in the real practice, in the real company, when you build the financial modeling to appraisal investment, the projects, so very complicated, not very simple like this. Okay, a lot of the information you make the reference, you make have the assumption, you have the beauty challenge you the assumptions, and you should prepare a lot of the information for this. So the model very simple, And if you want this model in the practice, you should work and you prepare in my financial modeling the same. And you go to the P&L model and working capital model, CapEx models, and capital structure model, and go to the cash flow model, financial positions, okay? And then you have the result of investment appraisal models. Maybe you don't understand what my point is, because I teach my mentees and they have struggle to prepare the investment appraisal report in the real case. Okay, not very simple like of the ACCA give you. This is very simple, just one page. But when you work in the real case, a lot of the sheets in the Excel to support for this model. Okay, so right now you can launch this template and use ChatGPT and ask them, I don't understand what the point and what the meaning this model, and can the ChatGPT can help you something here, for example. Okay, here, please. This project is okay, accepted. You can apply the SAF or the finance KPI. Please make me understand about this the template. Okay, so when you post the picture for the ChatGPT and ask them to explain you something, you can learn yourself more. Don't need me to teach you. Okay, so right now the ACCA candidate, oh sorry, please, the ACCA English, the ACCA right now, they can use the ChatGPT study very quick. And in the past 10 years ago, you can take times 4 years or 5 years to finish the ACCA. But I think that maybe 2 years you can finish with the ChatGPT and community support like me, and a lot of the material available on the website and YouTube are available already to teach you how to pass the exam. So ACCA right now very easy to get it, to qualify. So don't worry, okay? So right now, if you don't understand my template send you, okay, and you can ask them apply. The first you don't understand this, you ask them, and after that you ask ChatGPT again, apply the analytical skill and evaluations. Okay, evaluations. Okay, for ACCA to practice my exam. Okay, and show me exam and show me how to improve this skill. Okay, the first you understand what's going on, what topic this model, and the second you ask about how to improve this skill today. For example, I read for you. So overall structure of model, so the first you should have the economic assumptions. Most of the project I have the experience 10 project approved. When I work in our company, I usually have the factory building or moving expand the factory. So I have my boss to prepare of the appraisal project investment financial modeling. So the first economic assumption very important, and in the AFM advanced financial management paper, they always pay attention, the ACCA candidates, when you prepare for the AFM. The examiner always ask you one question, always one question, the assumption, always, and they give you 7 score or 8 score. So the assumption very important for everyone in the practice, in the real practice, when you do something in the future and forecasting and planning. So you should good prepare for assumption. You should support a lot of the evidence, information, supported information, reference, and where you get the data, why you go the sale role in the futures, industrial roles or something for this. So the ChatGPT listing for you, very easy for you to study yourself. And the second, you can read yourself. Okay, I will copy for you if your ChatGPT is not the same me. Okay, my mentee, when I have them to ask the ChatGPT, and they do yourself again, but the answer from their ChatGPT is not the same me. Okay, so I think I can help you to copy for you, and you can study again from my ChatGPT. Okay, and we move to the understand analytical evaluation skill ChatGPT give you. Okay, so break down data and explain the result, connect the cause and effect. Okay, evaluate and make adjustments, evidence, advance and disadvantage, benefit and risk, loss. Very, and you always use the words however. When you evaluate something in the ACCA, this is very important for you to get the score. Remember, okay, evaluation. So I copy for you. Poor calculations, only 40 and 50 mark. So if you want to pass the AFM, so you use a lot of the analytical skill. Yeah. Okay. So practice. Okay. Well, a lot of information shows you stop here, and I have I give you 10 minutes to ask me something and discuss something, because I see some of the some friends post in my YouTube and they say something. Okay, so right now you can discuss with me, negotiate or some give me more information, your experience when you study ACCA, and what's your problems and difficulty when you practice. Rarita, can you share something with me? You practice the analytical skill, evaluation skill already?
How did I practice that? Can I know? I actually always do it. Can I know what you mean?
No. Right now, I guide you. This skill. You understand the first. Okay.
I understand. First,
Yes.
you give the example questions, and
Yes.
then you also show us how to search it in ChatGPT.
Yes. And anything
And
else? You get my point?
You share the Excel sheets of the summary of financial model and uh, analytical skills for once. So what did you want me to do?
No, I just asked you, when you practice the ACCA, you have the problem with the analysis evaluation skill, or you right now you strong, very strong about this?
When I study for my exams, I usually first both understanding of the materials that maybe will come up in the exams.
Yeah.
If I already got my own understanding, then I will move to the questions understanding, and then
Uh-huh.
analysis and evaluations. When I do my analysis, I tend to do it detailedly because I like to repeat questions for
Yeah.
studying, so I can be familiar with the questions. When I get familiar with the questions, I usually thinks that the complex question becomes easy. I usually do evaluate my own skills by test it by filling like
Mm-hmm.
5 sims questions, and uh, but my limit is that my weakness is that when I study too many materials,
Mm-hmm.
uh, uh, even if I study it for like um, deep, but when I move to many others material, I start to forget what I study. So
Yes.
I need to like repeat learning it for
Yeah.
5 minutes to get
Mm-hmm.
back the logical that I said before.
Okay, I know.
That's
I know your practice in the ICCA. I do the same. I did the same. You okay? But right now you use the Excel to study or the paper. You use the
do
Excel
study
right
do
now.
the Excels.
Yes, yes. The Excel. The first you use the skill analytical. Okay. Don't use the paper. Okay. Don't use the paper. So this you see this is the AFM, the Advanced Financial Management, the listing of the contents. So if you not so right now pay attention, okay? We have in the exam, we have training score in the skill, okay, and not chance. So the first when you begin the start the advanced paper, so practice the skill first. You understand my point?
Understand.
Yes, yes, yes. So you read carefully the guidance, the skill from the ACCA guide you. The skepticism, what does it mean? Okay. Evaluation, how we can do evaluation. And analysis, what communication, what communication, okay? Commercial acumen. You read carefully and you take you remember for forever when you finish the ACCA because for most of the advanced paper they are always for this skill. You got it, you got it, and they
Got
give
it.
you five score. So that's the reason why I teach the reason why I teach all of you the first sessions the skill because this skill apply in the ACCA exam and in the real case in the financial professional when you work in the company. You agree with me or not? Agree with me or not?
Mhm.
Yes, the communication is very important when you work. You talk, you, you negotiation with your boss, with your employees, with the customer, with the suppliers, with the partner, with the another departments. Okay, you should understand the objective of the building, what expectation from you. Okay, evaluation analysis is an important skill in the financial FP&A and skepticism. Skepticism, I see a lot. Most of my boss, they always have the skepticism when they receive something, when they read something, when they listen something, they always ask why and where you get from. They always accept or agree quickly, or they always check and ask the staff to make the reference to make clear. Okay, and they don't trust quickly. Skepticism. So uh, um, the commercial acumen the same. And right now I finished the class, and I do want to ask me something, and see you tomorrow night for Powery. Power is the tool to help the FP&A financial professional to calculate to Excel the data very quickly and autos and integrated data and make the report very sexy and effective and efficiency. Okay, 5 minutes more. Len Sogar, long time to see you.
Hello, how are you?
Yes.
I'm doing great, and you?
Yeah, I'm fine. I'm travel to the Hanoi, my capital, so 1 week. So I'm
Oh.
very yes. So do you want to ask me something?
No, I don't have any question yet since I haven't registered the ACCA course yet. So
Okay.
there is no question to you. I just want to
Mhm.
explore how ACCA is.
Yes.
Yes, and I want to be ready to the ACCA course.
Yes. Yes. Very interesting, Sora. Very interesting in the ACCA. Okay. ACCA just is the foundations,
Yeah.
not the final. Yeah.
However, I want to ask you how to preparing the budget planning. Yeah.
Yeah. I will teach all of you the budgeting. Okay.
Uh, today I start preparing my budget planning for my company.
Ah.
Yeah.
Budgeting. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
I also teach the ACCA candidate how to prepare the budgeting for the ACCA, and also to teach the chief accountant and finance to make the AOB, the annual
Oh.
operating planning and budgeting.
Yeah.
Yes. And I will teach all of you later. So finally, I heard that this community I mentor for all of you for free because I get a lot of the benefit from you. That's connection.
Yeah.
Okay, and I improve my English skill, and
Yeah.
connection and friends in around the world is very valuable for me. Okay, so
Global friendship.
keep patience, and if you want to share something interesting and valuable, okay, connect with me. Okay, I will set up the time for all of you to share and know each other, make friends each other. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. Thank you.
Miss Hoàng,
Yes, I'm here.
yes, I want to give some material.
Material, which material?
Yes, I don't receive yet.
Maybe your email wrong. I have the list of your email register the materials, and when I send the email, they respond. The Google Mail respond to me 100 around over 100 around the email wrong, invalid. Yeah, so register again, okay? Don't worry, okay, don't worry. I will teach all of you in the communities one by one, step by step, okay?
Oh, I want to receive what channel I can receive the material.
Okay. Register again. I send the linkings. I told everybody that I received wrong email. Okay, register again.
Okay.
Okay.
I will, yes, I will inbox.
Yes, right. Yes, inbox. Okay, and I send a lot of the email for a lot here. You see?
Yeah. Okay.
Here you see? I send here.
Okay. Yes. I
yes,
see.
yes. Okay, just keep patience and study with me. Okay, so you very benefit to me. The community very benefit to me. Not just money. Okay. So see you. Okay, see you tomorrow night. Okay, bye bye and good night.
Bye bye.
Thank you. Bye bye Azam, Azam Peter. Okay, and Ratita, Phương Hoàng, Hồng Huy. Okay.